Hello class, this week's discussion was to do a simple data set on something that is meaningful to you. I chose to do a pastry shop as me and my sister are always talking about opening a pastry shop in the future. As you can see, I have the pastry shop open through Monday through Sunday. So we have muffins, scones, and cookies. So you can see that on Monday there was 3 muffins sold. On Monday there was also 3 scones sold and 7 cookies sold, and so on. The next step was that I'm going to make a chart, a line chart with all of my data. So you can do that by going to the Insert tab and scrolling over here and hitting the first line chart that you see. So now you'll see that muffin sold is in blue, scone sold is in orange, and cookie sold is in gray. The next step is to move the line chart to a new chart sheet. So you'll do that by right-clicking, moving the chart. I already created a section for it, so you'll just scroll down. And now it should move to a new sheet. From there, the next step was to change the chart by removing and adding one piece of data. So I'm going to add the title to this. I'm going to call it Pastries Sold. And then from there, I am going to remove the muffins. So you could do that by going to Select Data, and then clicking on the muffin sold, then minusing it, removing it from your line chart, and now it is gone. One way that you could get it back was to go back and just hit the backspace button, and it is now back on your page. Oh, and my title was missing. Okay. And then the next task was to change the style of my chart design. So I'm going to go here. You can pick through a bunch of different styles. I tend to like this style. And then the last step was to show something new that you learned on how to edit your chart. So I never knew that when it comes to the chart, you could change the colors of it, which I thought was pretty cool. I'll leave it on the blue. And you could also do a quick layout change. I'm going to leave it back to the original. Well, thank you for your time, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your week.